Hi ladies, welcome back to another collaboration video. I'm really excited about it. So this is another collab. We are creating a very soft and sexy sultry look. So if it's something that you want to see, just go ahead and keep on watching this video. Stay tuned for the next clip because it's going to be my girl Vanessa slaying the tube with her look. We are both using the same palette, and I'm just going to show you guys how we would utilize the palette and slay a sexy look like this.
Niggas all real, I ride and stick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels, cold ass bitch, I give raw chills, 10 different looks and my lips so kill, I kiss them in the mouth.
So I'm starting out with P. Louise base in the number 3, and I'm going to basically prime my lid, and then I'm going to take another fluffy brush and tap all of the excess off, and I'm going to start to lay my eyeshadows after that.
The palette that I'm going to be using is by Anastasia, and this palette retails for about $45, but it's a really nice palette, and the pigments are really nice. I'm going to be using this palette. So this is how the box looks. It's very pretty and glittery and brown, and just it looks sultry, and it makes you just think of a sultry eye look. It comes with, okay, my little pencil fell. With a pencil as well. I mean, not a pencil, a brush. It comes with a nice little brush that, I don't know, you could use. I don't know if I'll be using the brush or not. And then it comes with these colors right here. Like, these colors are so freaking pretty and gorgeous. Like, they're really nice. They're very pigmented. And I really like the shimmery colors and everything that comes in this palette. It's really nice. So I'm going to I did use a fluffy brush to take the excess eyelid primer off and pat it down, and then I was just letting it dry for a little bit. With the P. Louise base, you don't necessarily have to set your eyelids, just let it dry, and then it'll take better to the pigments. On top of the fact that this already has really bomb pigment, so I really like it. So I'm going to start out with the color Birch, and I'm going to blow that out, and it's going to help when I transition into the rest of the colors.
So I'm starting out with the color Birch, and I'm using a Morphe M532 brush, and I'm using that as a transition color. It's really like skin-like, so you can barely see it, but it helps the transition into the next color. So I zoomed in so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, how it's basically like a neutral base color. And now I'm taking this color called Bloom. It's really soft and pink, and it makes me think about Valentine's Day. So I figured I'd use that color and put that in my crease and kind of blow it out and blend that with the color Birch. That's the color Birch helps like soften this transition. So I wanted to let y'all know that I had plans on doing a full talk through for this video, but it didn't quite work out like that. It got really long, plus I'm on the phone with my sister for this entire video, so it just didn't work out like that. So that's all I wanted to tell y'all. And if I sound weird, it's because my nose is stumped up, and I think I'm coming down with a cold, so it's making my voiceover sound a little strange.
Hi, beautiful. Hi, baby.
Okay, so this is where it gets a little wonky at. So I started out using this color, this Dystopian. I think that's the name of the color. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. But I started to do that to give myself like a smoky look, but I didn't want it to be black. So I'm actually mixing Dystopian, Nior, which is the black, and I'm using the pink to blow it out on top of it as well. I ended up cutting my crease a little low, but towards the end of the video, I realized that it was too low because my lids will transfer to the top, so I have to cut my crease a little high. But what I'm doing is cut my crease. So what I did was I took a wipe and wiped some of the eyelid base off so I wouldn't have so much product on my eye. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm putting the base down. I am going to tap the excess off, and then I'm going to start to lay my eyeshadows down. Starting out in my inner portion of my eye, I'm using 3 different colors on my lid. You want everything to like flow and blend. So I'm using this color Pearl. It's a really nice white pearly like color. So all of these colors have like a shimmer to it. So I'm using that first in the inner portion of my eye. And then for the middle of my eyelid, I'm going to use the color Rose Quartz on the palette. It's like a rosy pinkish color. I thought it was really pretty. And then at the end, I'm going to use the same color that I used for a trend in my, no, I used the same color that I used in my crease, which is the color Blossom at the end, and then I fade the brown up into it so it all just fades together. And that's how I got this look. It gives like a gradient effect, and I really, really like the way it came out. I just want y'all to know that this takes time. You can't rush through this. Even though it seemed like it's short and sweet in these videos, it's really not. It really takes time because, you know, if you're putting more colors on, you may lose colors, so then you have to go back and reapply, keep blending and keep building. It does take time. So if you're looking for a really quick eyeshadow look, I don't think that this will be the best one as far as quick, but I mean there's other looks you can do with the palette that can be quick. But I just really took my time, and I just wanted to really like utilize a lot of the colors on the palette to see, you know, the color payoff, because when I swatched it, it was very pigmented, which it is, but the palette do have a lot of fallout. But I really like the palette, and I think you guys would like it as well.
The top part of my eyes, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown enriched face base. I went and got another sample because I just cannot bring myself to spend $60. But it's the moisturizer and the primer, and it smells really, really good, and it's a really good base for your face because it's all in one. You don't have to like moisturize and then prime your face. It's all built in one. I talked about it on my last video. So I'm using this primer again. And it just smells so good. Okay. And for my face, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Weightless in Cool Walnut. It's number 8.25. I'm gonna use that on my face, and I'm going to use my Tarte my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chestnut. And so that's what I'm gonna use to highlight. And we know I don't cream contour. I'm just gonna use my Black Radiance We just used the Black Radiance True Complexion and Contour Palette, and this is in the color medium to dark.
So I'm using a foundation brush to apply it so you guys can see how well it blends in with my skin. And I just went cooler with my foundation, and I'm basically just showing you where in one swipe it kind of covered up the hyperpigmentation that I have from my outbreak. I don't know, I'm having an outbreak on my face, which is really strange, and the hyperpigmentation around my nose. And I normally use a beauty blender to blend out my foundation, but I wanted to get a full coverage look, so I'm using a foundation brush to spread everything on my face. And I really like the fact that I decided to use a cooler undertone this time. I really like it. I think it matches my skin. I did one side, and now I'm doing this side, showing you guys how well it blends and matches my skin. You guys have seen me a million times highlight and contour my face. Right now I'm applying this blush. It's called Bella by Juvia's Place. And next I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlight. And it was like beaming. So I took the brush that I used, my pressed powder, and kind of toned it down. And I'm highlighting in all the spots that I normally highlight. And I'm going to set my face and put some lashes on. I just got some little cheap lashes from the beauty supply store. They were fun and flirty, and I used those on my face. And I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's really nice. I love it. And then I'm going to line my lips with brown lip liner. I'm using my own cosmetics lines when it comes to my lipsticks. For the most part, I'm using one of my cosmetics line. This is my cosmetics line, OMG Cosmetics. I haven't launched it yet. I'm thinking about the spring with my launch because I just don't want to be all over the place. But anyways, I'm using this color. This color is called Virgin. This color is called Orgasm. I'm going to take NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline to put it on top, but it wasn't giving me the glossy lips that I wanted. So I took a MAC lip gloss and I put that on top of there. So I thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Alright, so I'm back with the final look. I did curl my hair, and I put, some earrings on, and I just put like a nice little sweater on just so I can, just bring the whole look together. I think it came out really, really nice. I guess I want to just talk about this palette. This palette was $45, and it is a beautiful palette. It's really nice. However, I gotta be honest, the fallout is something so serious with this that is unreal. But the color payoff and the things that you get, the look that you get from the palette is really nice. But it do have a lot of fallout. So this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Sultry palette. So I really, really like it, and I hope you guys like the look and enjoyed this whole video. Don't forget to go ahead and click the link in the description box, and go check out my girl Vanessa. Vanessa always killing looks. Like, that's just what she do. She slays, she kill looks, and I love her. And we are the short hair girls. Like, I love her. I love watching her channel. She is like so bomb and very inspiring. I really, really like her. So don't forget to go check out her. And when you check out her video, please like write in the description or write a comment and say that you came from this channel, that you came from Brown Beauty's channel, so she can know that, we showing her some love from this channel. And yeah, so this, I thought that this was we wanted to create like sexy, flirty, sultry. So my look is definitely a cut crease. I am not about to, like, I couldn't do it like super soft, like not really soft, but it's a soft look, like it has soft color. So I don't know, I really like the look. I really like the way it came out. It's just sad because I'm not going anywhere, but I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up if you really, really like this video. And I'm so excited about this year because I'm already on my second video of the year, and it's another collaboration with another fabulous YouTube beauty guru influencer that I really, really love to watch. So thanks for all the support, and thank you for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. Like, wow, I'm like really amazed and really, really, you know, blown away by everything that's been going on with my channel. So I don't know if you like this channel. If you're new, you might as well just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you're going to click the subscribe button, you might as well click the notification bell that's next to the subscribe button, because it's only going to notify you when I upload a video. So if you want to be notified when I upload a video, click the notification bell. So I love you ladies, and I'll see you in the next video.